Hi guys, this is Tasia. I'm coming to you Friday, December 27th at 11:56 a.m. Um, there is a message that is kind of rough, and it's up to you if, you want to take heed or not, but I really hope you do. Okay, so I'm just going to jump right into it. Okay. So a little while back, I projected a message of the volcano, Mount Vesuvius. God's warning y'all that this volcano is going to erupt, like soon. I'm not particularly sure how soon, but I keep hearing 3, so possibly the 3rd of January. But I'm not sure. For whoever's in that area, you need to make the decision if you want to at least feel like you're safe. Now, I was getting a message that there'll be 2 signs that this is about to happen. There'll be some type of brimstony smell in the air, as well as tremors. Tremors. So the first will be the smell, and then you'll feel the tremors. Once the tremors hit, you need to make yourself scarce. You need to get out of there, because what I heard and the visions that I seen, bro, the visions that I seen along with what I was being told, I don't think I really have no words. But what I heard was Pompeii, but it's going to be worse than Pompeii. You see what I'm saying? So even if you don't trust what I'm saying, if you don't believe, if you have the smallest inkling in the back of your mind, if you have the slightest little feeling that this crazy black lady on social media might be right, what you need to do is fill your gas tank up. You need to pack lightly. Take only your essentials, things that you know you're going to need. Get everything in order now. And either put it in your car, put it by your door, or somewhere that's close at hand, so you're not scrambling all over the place to get these things. I know you don't know me, and that's all right. But when God sends you a warning, you need to take heed. Okay? If you don't trust me, then trust God. If you don't follow God's rules or saying, or if you don't believe in God or whatever, that's fine too. Listen to that little voice in the back of your head that's telling you, maybe she's right. Listen to that. You don't have to take my word for it. You don't have to follow God's commandments or rules or whatever, you need to listen to you. If you feel as though what I'm saying might, like, in the slightest be correct, take it and run with it. If you see on this, like when it gets close to this time, once you smell that smell, once you feel those tremors, and you actually do listen to what I'm saying or what God is saying, or you see people walking or running trying to get out of town, be nice and help them out, because nobody deserves what's about to happen. Nobody deserves that. Okay? Now, I'm not sure if this is going to happen, but just be safe, okay? Because if it is, I don't know. Well, good luck to all of y'all. And Happy New Year's.